DIY chalkboard paint ideas for nurseries and kids' rooms. Help your kiddo keep his clothes organized by labeling his dresser drawers. You can even draw pictures for the benefit of little helpers who are still learning to read. Bring your child's creativity to new peaks with this beautiful chalk paint mountain mural. Create your own woodland-inspired nursery art using chalkboard paint and pre-cut tree rounds. See how it's done right here. A quick coat of chalkboard paint is all it takes to turn the wasted space behind your child's bedroom door into a creative play zone. Create a one-of-a-kind block city with these easy-to-make chalkboard blocks. See the full tutorial right here. Many parents love the idea of a nursery mural but worry that their child will outgrow it. Looking for a design with staying power? Opt for a chalkboard accent wall, and hire a local artist or student to draw you a whimsical scene using semi-permanent chalk paint. When your child is ready for a clean slate, scrub off the chalk paint and let them do the decorating. Have something to boast about? Label your little one's trophies and treasures with this beautiful chalkboard display case. Find Ashley's detailed how-to on Shandy2 Chic. Turn a thrift store find into a beautiful piece of art with this simple Chalkboard Globe tutorial. Start the school day with an inspirational quote or friendly reminder scrawled onto this adorable headboard message center. No headboard? No problem. With a little chalkboard paint and a steady hand, you can draw a bed fit for a princess. Not much of an artist? Take it step by step with Emily of Fly Chicks. Turn a cheap IKEA table set into an elegant art station featuring a chalkboard surface. With its playful mix of artwork, accessories, and handwritten references, this baseball-themed chalkboard gallery really knocks one out of the design park. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.